guys, so welcome back to my channel. And yeah, so today is Sunday and I feel something like something behind me, something fishy is going on. Yeah guys, since while I woke up now, I feel something is fishy. Guys, it's really, but yeah, whatever. Then nothing. Today is Sunday, guys. Sunday is exciting day, but if it would be, if it is now, it's lockdown, by the way. So so we cannot go out, but still now I'm not going out, but what if Sunday, no, you could see Sunday vlog every time I would be out, but no. And then what? I only forgot what I wanted to say. So I have done a challenge, blanket for challenge, but I don't know what shall I do. Means shall I upload it or not? I will decide it and tell it in tomorrow's vlog, in Monday's vlog, in daily vlog 39. So now as usual I'm going to bath. Where I'm finding a towel and I'm not getting it. Why? Who the hell kept it at this side? Guys, no finding towel. Okay, this at least I got. So I have my bath, then I'll meet you. Okay, guys, so I had my bath and I didn't wipe here correctly. I'll just show you. So you can see the water. Wait, I'll just. And today is sunny. My God, who is that talking loudly? Wait, I'll just show you. Can you see that? Water is there and there. Two uncles are there. Arey yaar. So they have sandwich. So today is Sunday and guys, this goldfish, no, I've seen it many times. Yesterday I have given calcium, but still it's not working. What happened? These fishes are there, no, they just do drama. While I was putting calcium, shark fish, you know what they did? They jumped. How much hurry you have? But this fish is papa, guys. It's very, very, very silent. Since it doesn't do. And this fish lost my hopes. I lost. What happened to me? What happened? Huh? If it's laying babies now, I will seriously jump out. What are you? Actually, I had fish babies. I was second or third that time. Then, my mother had to attend a function in her village, so even I went. And then after that, as soon as we came back, on the same day only it happened. The baby reproduced within 1 day. They did. We didn't know that the big fish will eat it. They only reproduced and they only ate. And only 3 or 4 fish were there. Some did that time only they ate. Only one fish was alive. Only that black fish was alive. The small baby black. Then after that also died. So no, if it would be still alive, no, instead of this aquarium, no, we would get a big aquarium, and there would be some 32 or More were there that time, guys. More. But what to do? But it's sad. Very sad. You know, if my dog would be here, I would just play with it. Then I'll show it in the vlog 100th time. And if it's sleeping, I'll disturb. I'll play on it, prank, death, prank, everything. But still, what to do? So yeah. Okay then. Bye. Bye, guys. I only forgot how to tell the outro. Intro I said, how to tell outro only I found. Okay, guys. So please. Okay, wait. Okay, guys. So please like, share, and subscribe to Ankit Vlogs and Ankit Gamer. Meet you in the next video. So till that time, bye bye. See you. Love you all. Bye bye.